3D printing. What is it and how does it work? 3D printing is the process of making three-dimensional objects from a digital file. The three-dimensional object is created by laying down layer by layer of material until the entire object is created. You can 3D print with different types of materials: plastic, wood, even metal in some cases. But plastic is the most common material. The object is created in a 3D modeling software. There's a range of programs out there that go from beginners to more advanced users. Some of these programs let you draw with great accuracy. It is very important when working with mechanical parts or any piece that needs to fit an existing object. Once the 3D model is ready, it can be exported to a software that slices the model into hundreds or thousands of horizontal layers, depending on the size of the object. So what can you do with 3D printing? Some of these applications include rapid prototyping, that can go from a big complex project to an everyday life object. Architectural models, healthcare, industrial manufacturing, entertainment, like movie props and toys. Gadgets for your house, and the office as well. Take advantage of this technology, available now right here in Brandon, Manitoba.